After today, you'll never be able to say that choux pastry is too hard.
Hello and welcome to my channel, and welcome to my kitchen. Liz is me, and you can call me Liz, and today we're making profiterole.
Simply add 1 cup of water, a tablespoon of sugar, a pinch of salt, and 100 grams of butter to a pot and simmer on a low heat. Once bubbles first appear, let it simmer for another few minutes. Then it's time to take it off the heat completely. Next we add 1 cup of all-purpose flour and stir with a wooden spoon. This may take a few minutes to get everything mixed together, but don't worry, trust the process. Now it's time to recook the dough. Again on a low heat, we're just trying to take some extra moisture out of the dough. You'll know it's time to take it off the heat when it stops feeling quite so sticky and you start getting a skin on the bottom of the pan. Then set it aside for about 20 minutes to cool down. Once the mixture is cool, add to a bowl along with 3 whole eggs. This step can be done in an electric mixer, food processor, or by hand. Mix until the eggs are completely combined. Whisk the 4th egg separately and set it aside. If your dough appears stiff, it needs more hydration, so add half the egg at a time until it's not. We're looking for a good stretchy ribbon with a slight fall. No need for a piping tip today, just take a regular piping bag and cut off the end. Fill your piping bag and get piping. There's no right or wrong way to do this as long as they're not too big and they're all about the same size. To prevent the tops from burning, just dip your finger in some water and poke down those little ends. Pop them in the oven at 150 degrees Celsius. After about 20 minutes, take them out and let them breathe. They should have all puffed up slightly and be a consistent golden brown colour all over. Then poke them with a skewer and put them back in the oven for 10 minutes before letting them sit again. And there you have it, perfect profiteroles.
So thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave your thoughts and comments down the bottom. And if you're not subscribed, you better do that because there's plenty more where that came from. I hope to see you back in my kitchen next week.